hiccup.
Hello, Lester. There was conflicting reports on the death toll for those drone missile strikes, but local government officials tell NBC News that at least 14 people were killed. This was in North Waziristan, a tribal region of northwest Pakistan, where those safe havens provide launching pads for insurgents to launch strikes into Afghanistan, and military action
Who's got the
has been on the rise.
hiccups?
Missile attacks in that area are now